riders and riders, it's Michaela with your Saturday, December 15th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Temperatures today are looking nice and comfy with a high of 46 degrees and some light northwest winds. Our base depths are 23 to 53 inches and our trails are perfectly groomed. We're expecting the sun to greet us off and on today with a possibility of snow tomorrow. We've had some new trails open recently, including Mass Pike East, Oxbow Chute, as well as both Upper and Middle Balance Rock.
Good conditions, a lot of fun.
Awesome.
And when you get off the lift, it's all downhill from there.
That's true.
Today we'll have 5 lifts spinning around the mountain, including our 3 high-speed quads to get you on the slopes. Also, today is a great day to come check out our NASTAR Wachusett Mountain race teams, as the course is officially open for the season.
How excited are you that the NASTAR is open?
Really excited. Yeah!
And don't forget to reload your old lift ticket online and save $10 now through December 24th.
And that's all for today, folks. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you out there.